Hello everyone, welcome to FENTL. My name is Raj and in today's video, we are going to do 6-pack home workouts. In order to get 6-pack abs, you have to do two things. First, grow your 6-pack muscles. Second, you have to reduce your body fat so low that you will be able to see your 6-pack muscles. Most people do so many ab workout exercises, but because of their body fat, they won't be able to see their abs and think that ab exercises are not working. There is a saying that 6-pack abs are made in kitchen. It is true. You have to follow a proper diet so that you will be able to reduce your body fat percentage so low that you will be able to see your 6-pack abs. So to build 6-pack muscles, do these exercises. Along with this, you follow proper diet so you can reduce your body fat percentage and you will be able to see your 6-pack abs. 6-pack muscles are one of the smallest muscles in your body, so it is very easy to grow them. So in today's workout, we are going to do 7 exercises, each exercise for 30 seconds and a rest time of 15 seconds. Let's start today's workout. The first workout is crunches. This targets your upper abs. Raise your upper back and shoulders and breathe in when you're going down and breathe out when you're going up. Concentrate on upper abs while doing this exercise. Let's start the workout. The second workout is leg raises. This exercise mainly targets your lower abs. Try not to keep your legs on the floor. You can place your arms under hip as a support. The next workout is sit-ups. This is similar to crunches, but instead of raising your upper body, you raise up to a sitting position. This targets all your upper, lower and middle abs. Breathe out when going up and breathe in while coming down. The fourth workout is bicycles. This workout targets your side abs, which are also called as obliques. Move your upper body as if you are trying to touch your elbow with alternate leg knee. The fifth workout is heel touch push through. It targets your obliques and upper abs. Bend sidewards as if you are touching your heel and then do a crunch. You can keep your feet closer if you want to touch the knees. The sixth workout is mountain climbers. Here we are doing a slow version of mountain climbers. This workout targets your lower abs. Instead of moving your legs straight forward, Move them inclinedly towards your opposite hand. The last workout is plank. It works on all your ab muscles including your core. Don't hold your breath and continue breathing while doing this exercise. Keep your back as straight as possible. Well done! I hope you like those workouts. Do these exercises 2 or 3 times a week in order to grow your 6-pack muscles. Remember, as I said earlier, in order to grow your 6-pack abs, you need to build your 6-pack muscles. Along with it, you have to reduce your body fat percentage low so that you will be able to see your 6-pack abs. Stay fit and healthy and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.